Hello guys, so today I will show you step by step how you can mine Bitcoin for free. So if you want to mine Bitcoin for free, all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and you learn how you can mine Bitcoin for free. So what you just need to do is to click the first link in the description, and it will take you to this website which is called CryptoTab browser. CryptoTab browser is a website that allows people like you and me to go and start mining Bitcoin, and we are getting paid in return. So all you just need to do is internet connection and a smartphone or computer. You can start mining with cryptotab.com. So the first thing you need to do, once you land on the page here, you can see that you can install the application, or you can install the app on your smartphone or on your computer. You can see it's available on Windows, Apple, and Google Play Store. So if you once you want to download it, click on this downloading button, or you can click on this downloading icon of Windows if you have Windows. If Mac, it will show on Mac. So all you just need to do, click on it, and it will be downloaded. So once you have been downloaded on your computer, run it, and once you have run the application or on your browser or on your smartphone, this is how it will look. Sorry about that. So this is how the application will look. This is how it look, and this is it. So all you just need to do is to click on it. So once you click on it, it will open up. So once it open up, you will see your crypto that is mining currently right now, and if you scroll down, you will see a bunch of things here. But to register is very simple, like to register on CryptoTab. So to register is with your Gmail account. Let me show you how to register. So to register, the first thing, you just need to click on affiliate. Click on affiliate, and once you click on affiliate, to pop up the login tab. So what you need to do, click here, register with Google, and you can register with Google, Apple, or with your Twitter account, or with other social media icon you can see at the bottom here. So once you click on register, you just need to enter your Gmail and password, and your account will be created. They will send you an email for you to click. You click on that email they send to you, your account will be verified, and you don't need to do anything. That is how you can verify your account. So once your account has been verified, you just need to come back to CryptoTab browser on your smartphone. Let us say this is our computer now. This is our computer, and this is the application, and we click on it. So once we click on it, it will open up our CryptoTab. And as you can see, it logs us in automatically because we have just registered our account, and our account is already open. And this browser, more you are using this CryptoTab browser, that is how you are making money, because it's a CryptoTab browser you are installing on your computer, and more you are using your CryptoTab browser, more you are making money. I will show you how I use this CryptoTab browser to make money. The first thing, to start any money, you need to make sure that this is on. Make sure it's on, and you can drag it to mass, because mass means that if you know you have good internet connection, you can drag it to the end. But if you know your internet connection is not fast, you can drag it, put it at the middle, or it depends on you. So me, I'll always leave it at mass, and if you want to off it, you can just click on this icon here, and it will be off. So you will see that your mining have stopped. But if you want to on it, just click on the icon again and drag it up again. So you will see it says starting, and you will see that your mining have just started again. And if you scroll down here, you will see a network earnings. You see $17, and you can see how much you are mining currently right now, and you will see how much all the amount you have made with your affiliate. You can find everything here. So sorry about that. So yeah, that is how it works. And another way you can still make money with CryptoTab is not only about just mining Bitcoin, is that you can refer people. So this is my referral link. I will copy my referral link here. I'll go and share it with my friend, and yeah, once I share it with my friend, they sign up with this my CryptoTab link, CryptoTab browser link. I will get a share for just doing that. So if this link is not working, because this is a landing page, you can just scroll up here and click on affiliate dashboard here. So once you click on affiliate dashboard here, you will find your affiliate link. You can come down, just wait for it to open properly. So once it's done opening properly, you'll be seeing withdraw tab, And if you come down here, just scroll down, and you will see your landing page URL, which is your referral link. Copy your referral link here, go and share it with your friends, and when they sign up on CryptoTab, you will start making money. To show you that this referral part is working, if I click on go back to the home page of CryptoTab where the mining is working here, you will see that I have referred few people, and other people refer people, and in total my net total referral you can see is 264. It's not just only me that refer those people, I refer people, and those people refer other people, and that is how the earning keep on going. So that is how CryptoTab works. So other way you can still use to like increase your earning is to use the boosting. You can see cloud boost. If I click on the cloud boost here, it will open up, which is I will click on activate cloud boost. So when I click on that, it's going to take us to where we are going to activate our cloud boost. As you can see, it says boost your device up to 60 times of what you already have. So you can do that by just buying boost. So you can see the boosting price. They have the boosting price from $2 to $14. You can just choose exactly to how much you can be paying every month. So by doing this, each mining you are mining, you'll be getting times 5 of what you are mining currently. Let me say if you are mining like let me say $1 before, because you are doing this, you are going to be making times 5 of what you are making before. So that is how the boosting cloud work. And if you want it, you can just go and use it. That depends on you. So that is what I want to talk about for the how you can increase your earning with CryptoTab. So yeah, and other thing, like let me say for example you want to start promoting your CryptoTab. How can you promote it? If you don't know how to write articles and you want to like collect like content from a CryptoTab, you can do that. If I click on this section where you say promote and links, if I click on promote and links here, so what is going to happen here, CryptoTab browser is going to show me say affiliate, CryptoTab affiliate, which means they are going to give you landing page banners that you can copy and go and paste it on your website. And if anyone click on it, start using CryptoTab browser, you are going to get paid for referring those people to CryptoTab browser. It's very simple. You can use their landing banners. If I click on banners here, you will see a bunch of banners. You can copy the link of the banners, go and paste it on your website, and yeah, you will get paid by just doing that. So copy the link and go and share it on your website. You will get paid for just doing that. If I click on general here, it's going to bring up a lot of banners that you can copy and go and share on your website. Even YouTube thumbnail, those are YouTube thumbnail that you can download and put it on your YouTube thumbnail while you are creating a video about CryptoTab browser like I'm doing right now. And yeah, you can download any image here. You are allowed to use, those are copyright image that you can download and go and use it. And yeah, so that is what I need to talk about. And if you go up again here, you can see that you can do a lot of things like landing page. You can do that. You can do video. Let me say you can download their video template here. Download their video template. Go and paste it on your website, and everything is good to use. Just click on copy URL. Go and open it on your website, or go and share it on your social media. You are going to get paid if anyone click on through your link. If I click on mobile here, you can see mobile version of all the links that you can find here. You'll find them. It's very simple. Copy it and go and share it on your website. Simple. If I click on simple here, you can still copy the link of simple banners. You can go and use it according to how you want it to look. And other thing too I like about CryptoTab, if you click on this section here, let me just click on general. So when you click on general, just scroll down to the bottom, and not the bottom, you will see a section where CryptoTab will give you script. It will give you content, articles that you can go and use. So if I click on this section where it says, you can see say choose from the list. So what CryptoTab do here is that it say test for promotion post. So let me say for example you want to share a test on your website or on your social media. You can just come here, copy those tests. You are allowed to use those tests. It's copyright test. Just copy it and go and share it on your web social media like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, go and share it on that social media that you are on. Just click on copy, and the text will be copied. Just go and share it on that your platform, and you will get paid for just doing that. They will click on your link, and they will be sent to CryptoTab browser, and once they start using it, you will get paid. So that is everything I need to talk about CryptoTab browser. You already know, and I don't need to keep on talking about it again and again. So they have an NFT mining. You can click on NFT mining here, where you can buy NFT, and you will start using NFT to mine CryptoTab, and in return you are getting paid for doing that. So yeah, and that is everything I need to talk about on this video. And before we end it, let me show you how you can withdraw your money. So to withdraw your earnings, all you just need to do is to scroll up here and click on this icon, and you can click on withdraw BTC. So once you click on withdraw BTC here, it will tell you if you have enough amount to withdraw your BTC or not. As you can see, it's telling me say you don't have enough amount to withdraw BTC. Let me show you proof that I've received money from CryptoTab. So if I click on history here, you will see all the payment, all the transaction that I did on CryptoTab browser. You can see those are the transaction, and this is to show you proof. This is 2022. This is to show you proof that I'm still using this CryptoTab browser. This is 2021, 2022, and 2020, 2020. 2009, 2018. So you can see that belong I start using this application or this company, which is CryptoTab browser. Is not just anyhow website. It's a website that will pay you to do all those jobs. So now you know and understand how CryptoTab work. So yeah, you already know now how you can withdraw your and if you have your money. Let me say for example now yeah, you want to withdraw your money, but how are you going to withdraw your money? That is when this wallet come in. So you have to use Coinbase. Let me show you Coinbase. So guys, I just logged into my Coinbase wallet account. So this is a wallet I'm using to receive money from anywhere I'm doing anything like buying and selling of crypto. And once I want to cash out, I send the money into my Coinbase wallet, and from here I will cash out the money into my bank account if I want. So once you create your Coinbase wallet, the link to create your to go to Coinbase will be in the description. It will be the second link. The first link will be CryptoTab link, and the second link will be Coinbase. That is your crypto wallet. So once you have created your crypto wallet account, what you need to do is to get your crypto address. So to get your crypto address, click on this section where it says send and receive. So once you click on send and receive, it will open up, and you need to click on this section where it says receive. So if I click on receive now, it's going to load up, and once it loads up, I can scan this code from that place I want to send the money from, or I can just copy this link. I can just copy this BTC address, which is the Bitcoin address. I can copy it, and I will go back to that website. I'll come back to this website, which is CryptoTab browser, and I'll click on withdraw. And once I click on withdraw here, it's going to open up. If I have the minimum amount to cash out, it will give me a tab where I will be able to paste in that my Bitcoin address, and they will send the money that I have earned from this website, which is called CryptoTab browser, to my Coinbase account. So it's very simple. I hope you understand how it works. And yeah, to use Coinbase, to create your Coinbase wallet, the link will be in the description. It will be the second link. The first link will be CryptoTab browser. So guys, I'm going to end this video from here. I will say thank you very much if you watched this video from the beginning to the end. And again, don't forget to check out our website. Don't forget to check out my website here and ask me any question on my forum. So I have a forum on my main website, which is yougospower.com, where you can ask me any question. It will be yougospower/community. You can see this is the link at the top, your yougospower/community. And once you scroll down here, you can add any topic you want to ask me. Ask me any question at all. I will reply you within 24 hours. So here I will communicate with you and talk to you one-on-one if you have any problem. Within 24 hours, I will reply your question. If you have anything to ask or you want to learn anything from me, just come to my forum here, ask me any question, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So yeah, that is it guys. And again, don't forget to check out this my USafe SEO tools, where you can use any tools at all to rank your website and check the position of your website and write your articles and use plagiarism and use mental tag analyzer, word counter, backlink checker, a bunch of tools you can find on this my new SEO tools. Go and check it out. Let me know what you think, and I'm going to end this video from here. And again, don't forget to go and check out this my blog where I update every single week, which is this blog here. I update every single week a way on how you can make money with this my blog. So all you just need to do, go and check this my blog out. So you can see I update by chapter. Those are method and website that you can use to make money online. All you just need to do, go and check them out. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on other side, a way on how you can make money online for free. See you soon.